Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day and making some really good trades. And yep, let's just get into it. Do a little bit of Bitcoin analysis. Looks like we had another amazing day today. Looks like we pumped up all the way to 55,300 right now. Actually blasted through this green resistance box right here, which is something I did not expect. And you know, the pumping continues. We made an amazing trade today on Ethereum, over 81% gain in one trade. Closed it in profit while I was at work, so it was quite difficult to monitor it, and I didn't want to take any chances, so close it on profit. Yeah, I could have made a little bit more, but 80% regardless is amazing. Amazing trade. And recouped all the losses that we had from yesterday's bad trade and made it up even more today. So congratulations to everyone that follows me on Unified Futures copy trading on Bitget. You guys are some real winners today. Anyways, let's get into it. Looks like Bitcoin had a nice rally today, up to 55,000. Money flow is turning green, is still in the green and increasing as well. So looking really good. Same thing on the 4-hourly. Just all in all, good stuff happening. And on the daily time frame, especially, we can see that the money flow is starting to come back even more. We saw it dip a little, but it's starting to come back, and the momentum waves are coming back. So expecting some higher. Even higher prices than this. So you guys think 55,000 is high? I think we could go even higher. I think we could even touch up to 57,000 before having any correction at all. But yeah, definitely be careful. I'm not saying we can't correct, but we are just pumping after pump after pump. We've had an amazing rally so far, from 41,000 all the way to 55,000, over a $14,000 pump in a matter of a week. So really good stuff right there. We can see that we did hold the EMA ribbons on the weekly time frame, as we can see right here. Dipped into them, bounced up, and bounced from here once again, and then now we're probably going to head up to higher prices, such as, where is it, 74,000, 61,000.618 is a 61,000. That's the goal right there for the after this little correction that we've had. After that, 74, 87, 101,000, and then 103,000. But yeah, looking really good so far, guys. Anyways, let's just keep doing some more analysis. I think that for the time being, Bitcoin is going to keep the momentum going. The trend is your friend after all. We can see that we've broken this major trend line as well, just blasted right through it. So if anything, we got to break the previous high right here at the all-time high, which is set at basically 65,000 or 64,920. That's the all-time high at the moment. And right now we can see that we have a little bit of resistance coming up at 57,000, but the price wasn't traded that much around that area. We can even take a look at the VPVR right there. We see that the majority of the resistance is at 57,000, but after that, once we get above it, there's literally basically nothing there. And once we get above that, and it's just price discovery mode, we're gonna see things like this that we've seen right here. Oh, chart's lagging again, but there we go. Once we broke 20,000, if you guys remember, where the majority of the price was traded at the time, we can't really tell right now because we're looking at the higher price levels. But once we come down, if I could stop dragging those lines, there we go. The VPVR is going to adjust a bit, I guess not. Anyways, basically $20,000 was where the resistance was, the major resistance at one point, and then once we got above there, it was just price discovery mode, and we rallied all the way to 64. And I think something similar is going to happen right now. I believe that at the moment we are going to discover 70,000 this month. Daniel's analysis is prime and very good, and so far it's been holding its truth. And right now Bitcoin's back above $1 trillion as well, and our spot buy is doing amazing so far. So we can go take a look at that. People who have bought on the spot market without leverage, congratulations. Currently you are up a nice 24%. So whoever bought on the spot market at the same time as me, we're up 24%. And Buying on the spot is never a bad idea as well. We could see that we were in the red for a couple of weeks, but we hold our spot buy according to the hash ribbons. We went down 10%, and like I said in the previous videos, once we went down 10% and we rally back up, that's it. We don't see these price levels ever again. Not saying not saying we won't, but usually, like, we can see that 20,000 ever since we've pumped past 20,000 at our hash ribbon buy, we never saw that price level again for the time being. I mean, for basically this entire year, ever since the rally started. But yeah, looking really good, guys. SD 500 just kind of trading sideways at the moment in this range, stuck between 43.72 and then going down to 42.80 and just staying stuck between that range, trading sideways. Market's not doing much at the moment, just waiting to hear on some news about maybe Evergrande or, you know, any major hedge funds selling off, stuff like that. Just gonna keep reading the news every single day. Inflation is coming. We can see that the money flow is starting to dip a little bit into the red, not too much. It's already starting to curl back up. Market really doesn't want to sell off, but we'll see what happens. Maybe we'll get another pump like this and then reverse back down. As we can see that the EMA ribbons on the daily time frame for the SP 500 have flipped, and we can see that the weekly time frames is even more bearish than before. And one more thing, I believe, when we go into price discovery mode, a good thing to use is the spider lines, because they are able to display future resistance and future support. And my computer is lagging a bit right now. I think I'm gonna have to buy another one. It doesn't seem to be working today. Wow, that's really bad. I'm not even gonna bother showing that. And yeah, all in all, we made an amazing trade on Ethereum today. Made everyone some money, and I love you guys. You guys have a wonderful day. Make some really good trades, and I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.